In this video, you'll learn how to use background in Google Meet so you can look more polished and keep your space private during calls. We'll walk through joining a meeting, opening the effects panel, choosing or uploading a background, and then applying those changes so everyone else can see them. Let's start at the very beginning. Joining a meeting, go ahead and open your browser and navigate to Google Meet, or click the meeting link you've been given. If you're using Google Calendar, you can simply open the event and select the Join with Google Meet button. Once the page loads, you may see a preview of your camera before you fully enter the meeting. This is a good moment to quickly check your framing, lighting, and whether your camera and microphone are turned on or muted, depending on your preference. When you're ready, click the button to join the meeting. After you've joined, we'll move on to changing your background using the effects panel. Look for the toolbar at the bottom of your screen. You should see icons for the microphone, camera, and other controls. Among these, there will be an option labeled Effects or something similar, often represented by a sparkle or stars icon. If you don't immediately see it, try moving your mouse to make the toolbar appear, or expand any menu labeled More Options, which may be represented by 3 vertical dots. Once you find it, click on Effects to open the Effects and Background Settings panel. When the Effects panel opens, you'll notice a few different sections. One of them will be dedicated to backgrounds. Here you'll see a variety of choices provided by Google, such as blurred backgrounds, simple colors, or themed images. If you want something quick and subtle, selecting a light or strong blur is usually a great option. Blur keeps the focus on you while hiding any distractions behind you. If you prefer something more personalized or fun, you can pick one of the preset virtual backgrounds like an office, a classroom, or a scenic landscape. If you want to use your own image instead, look for a button or link that says Upload Background or Add. Clicking this will open a file picker window on your computer. From there, choose a photo that looks professional and isn't too busy. For example, a simple wall texture, a soft gradient, or a clean office-style image tends to work well. Try to avoid images with a lot of text, logos you don't own, or anything that might be distracting for others in the meeting. Once you've selected your image, wait a moment while it uploads. It should then appear as one of your background options. Now it's time to apply your changes. As you click on each background or blur option, you'll see a live preview of how it looks behind you. Take a few seconds to check the edges around your hair and shoulders. If things look choppy, try choosing a simpler background or improving your lighting, which can help the effect work better. When you're happy with the way it looks in the preview, simply close the effects panel or click back into the meeting window. Your chosen background is now active, and everyone in the meeting will see you with that background applied. That's all you need to do to use a background in Google Meet. Join your meeting, open the effects panel, select or upload the background you want, and apply those changes. With just a few clicks, you can keep your space private and present yourself more professionally in every call.